Good morning, everyone. Today, we come together to celebrate Constitution Day, a day dedicated to honoring the foundation of our nation's democracy. On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution, which came into effect on January 26, 1950, transforming India into a sovereign, democratic republic. The Constitution is more than just a legal document, it is the protector of our rights and the guiding framework for justice, equality, and freedom. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Constitution, along with other great leaders, envisioned a nation where every individual, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, would be treated equally and enjoy the same rights. As students, we must understand the importance of the Constitution in shaping our lives and our future. It empowers us to exercise our rights and reminds us of our duties as citizens. We should strive to uphold the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity in all aspects of our lives. Let us take a pledge today to be responsible citizens who respect the Constitution and contribute to building a strong, united, and harmonious nation. Thank you, and let us always honor the spirit of our Constitution.